YouTube automation, the transformation that took my life from zero to hundreds of thousands a month. The past year has seen some amazing advancements in the business world. One of these advancements was the use of automation on YouTube, which helped me transform my life and increase my income in less than 9 months to a level that many would consider a dream. But this success was achieved not only because of the tools, but also because of the effort and careful planning. Creating faceless channels on YouTube today is like a new wave of opportunities. Now, artificial intelligence tools allow you to start even with a small budget and create successful channels. But you have to remember that this business model is more than a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work and commitment. A few days ago, I accidentally came across a new YouTube channel that had this business model. These channels produce motivational life videos and inspiring stories and receive millions of views. One of their most popular videos, with 13 million views, was about everyone needs a big brother, which took an unexpected turn in a tense classroom. But that's just the beginning. I plan to discover and share more strategies with you. In future videos, I'll show you how to use AI tools, create unique content, and implement monetization strategies. If you're looking for a real opportunity to change your life, now is the time to act. The world of faceless channels is still full of opportunities that depend only on your creativity and hard work. Log into ChatGPT and provide a clear and concise description of your video content creation. For example, I started with, I want to make a video like the channel @Wisdom in Folklores. For the title of a video, it would be, Everyone Needs a Big Brother. Now create 10 photo prompts like Amy and a video script. ChatGPT gets to work right away. Photo prompts. This tool provides 10 prompts to generate photos that fit the story of your video. If you need custom images for your videos, ChatGPT can generate prompts that are perfectly tailored to your needs. Now that you have your creative prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to generate the images you need with Leonardo AI. This AI tool can create professional and eye-catching images that match your video content exactly. Copy one of the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you, paste it into the Leonardo AI prompt input field, and click the Generate button. Wait for your image to be prepared. Leonardo AI usually generates the image within a few seconds. Once the image is ready, download it. Repeat this for all the prompts generated by ChatGPT. Now that the images are ready, it's time to add the voice of the speaker to the video. If you don't want to speak yourself or are looking for a more professional sound, 11 Labs is the best option. This powerful tool can produce a natural and pleasant sound for your video. Copy and paste the script and click the Generate button. The tool will convert your text into natural sound and prepare the audio file. After preparing the images and the voice of the speaker, it's time to choose a suitable background music to make your video look more professional and attractive. For this, we will use Pixabay, a great source for downloading free songs. From the menu at the top of the site, click on the Music option. This section contains thousands of free music in various genres. The final step: edit your video with CapCut to create a professional and inspiring work. Now that you have all the necessary elements to create your video, including beautiful images, a professional voiceover, and appropriate background music, it's time to put these pieces together and create a masterpiece. CapCut's editing tool, with its simple interface and advanced features, makes this an enjoyable experience. Here, I'll explain the detailed and practical steps of video editing that will create a video that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. Start a project in CapCut. Open a new project. Launch CapCut and select the New Project option. Add files. Drag all the generated images, voiceover, and background music into the project window. Arrange files. Arrange the images in a narrative or thematic order on the timeline. Make sure that this order enhances the sense of storytelling and the natural flow of the video. Zoom in. If there is a logo in the images, use the Zoom tool to remove it. Zooming in also helps the audience focus on important details. Frame correction. Adjust the images to perfectly match the dimensions of the video and the frame of the images. Click on each image and go to the animation section. Choose from a variety of options that match the theme and feel of your video. For example, fade in for a soft and gentle start. Slide for a dynamic transition between images. Zoom in to highlight important details. Adjust the timing of the animations. Make sure the animations are in sync with the rhythm of the video. This coordination makes the images appear smooth and attractive. Go to the Effects section and add effects such as color filters, dynamic lighting, or special effects. Simple but effective. Avoid cluttering the effects. Sometimes subtle and minimal effects are more effective. Import the narrator's voice. Add the voice recorded by 11 Labs to the timeline. Adjust the timing. Make sure that each speaker's sentence is synchronized with the corresponding image. This synchronization multiplies the impact of the message. Use colors and fonts that match the visual style of the video. If necessary, use simple animations like fade in for subtitles to make them look more attractive. Insert music downloaded from Pixabay. The choice of music should match the emotional atmosphere of the video. Turn down the volume of the music so that the speaker's voice is clearer and more prominent. Use sound effects to better blend the music and the speaker. Watch your video in its entirety. Pay attention to the coordination of the images, sound, and music, and make sure that all the elements work well together. Fix any errors before saving. Click the export option and save the video in the best quality possible. High quality can have a positive impact on the audience's experience. Congratulations! You have managed to create a perfect and professional video. This video is not only a reflection of your creativity and effort, but also an effective tool for attracting an audience and increasing your income. This YouTube monetization model is a unique opportunity to build a faceless channel that can bring you thousands of dollars in profits. So get started now and take the first step towards building a successful future. Watch the final video and enjoy the result. Until the next video, goodbye.
A big brother is more than just a sibling. He's a protector, mentor, and best friend. He stands between you and danger, saying, "You're not alone. I've got your back." From tying your first shoelace to celebrating your victories, no matter how small, he's your first teacher and loudest cheerleader. Big brothers are role models, not because they're perfect, but because they teach resilience and strength. They know your dreams and fears and choose to stand by you, reminding you that love and support don't fade with time or distance. A big brother shows that family is life's greatest gift, a bond that only grows stronger.